Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Addiction. Before we dive into this video, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest news about cryptocurrency, how to retire with Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR by 2027. Becoming a millionaire isn't all that uncommon after a lifetime of working and saving. The market of cryptocurrencies has been a constant attraction to traders, individuals, and institutional investors for quite some time. Showcasing tremendous middle to long-term gains, cryptocurrencies have demonstrated a notably appreciable price movement. The long-term gains for holders who hold Dogecoin, Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, and many others have shown that it is possible to retire with crypto coins. All you need is the right knowledge to hold coins with great potential in the future. Today's video will show you the number of HBAR that you need to hold to become a millionaire by 2027 and retire. Hedera Hashgraph. Indisputability with no compromises. The challenges of blockchain being data accessibility and high costs have been eliminated by Hedera Hashgraph. This prized digital currency offered users the advantage of fixed money at no inflationary cost. The decentralized consensus of Hedera Hashgraph makes users their masters of validation, working on an entirely different ledger platform using directed acyclic graph, creating an asynchronous Byzantine Fault-Tolerant aBFT consensus algorithm. The only authorized ledger is Hedera Hashgraph. The future of the Hedera Hashgraph cryptocurrency seems to hold lucrative possibilities. To bring stability avoiding sudden market fluctuations, HBAR will be burnt in a systematic, phase-wise process. The model of HBAR is so formed that it does not support smart contracts and uses the Byzantine Fault-Tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism, wherein multiple nodes like validator nodes, witness nodes, accelerator nodes, and other types of nodes are used, which altogether help in transactions, validation, and authentication processes at various stages. Hedera Hashgraph. Technical analysis and historical data. Founded in 2018 by founders Mance Harmon and Lehman Baird, Hedera has had a great team of dedicated professionals who are experts in the crypto space. The year 2019 proved phenomenally positive for the HBAR coin. Although the coin slowed down a bit in the second half of the year as per the high volatility sentiment, it picked up a great push due to the IEO it launched, ending 2019 with over 150% gains. It further went on a downward price changes pattern only due to the courtesy of pandemic that surfaced at the beginning of the year 2020 and remained negative to a specific period before surfacing again to attain supremacy and never looking down since then. Hedera Hashgraph Hbar Price Prediction. The technical analysis shows a gradual but steady rise in the trade price of HBAR may not have won it the topmost cryptocurrency award. However, experienced traders have learned to wait and watch for this asset to perform before investing, considering all factors, doing analysis, and predicting wonders on trade exchange Hedera Hashgraph. The current price of HBAR is around 31 cents with a market capitalization of $3.2 billion, a 24-hour trading volume of over $336 million today, September 29, 2021. As per crypto forecast, if all markets turn favorable, experts expect this digital asset to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, it would surely show signs of fortune for its traders. Backed by robust smart contracts, the HBAR price may easily cross $1 by the end of the year 2021. As always, we have to warn you that you should take all crypto price predictions with a grain of salt. That includes our HBAR price prediction. The crypto market is a bit too volatile and the industry too unpredictable for any concrete predictions to be made. That said, it is possible to estimate what each coin or token's potential could be. How low could they go? How high? Although anything is possible, we don't think that Hedera Hashgraph price has a chance to reach $100 by 2027. However, this cryptocurrency still has some good long-term prospects. Its previous price action indicates that HBAR coin is likely to experience some slow but consistent growth over the next few years and may even go up as high as $35 by 2027, at least if the most optimistic Hedera Hashgraph forecast is to be believed. Remember that we make general predictions about the average future price of a cryptocurrency and what it might reach during a given year. A coin's price may go up to $100 in May and crash to $1 in July of the same year, and its average price for the year would be $50. That being said, you may not need to wait until 2027 before you retire with HBAR. Once the coin hits your price target, you can sell and retire. Now, let's run some numbers to see how many HBAR you need to hold today to retire by 2027. The current price of HBAR is around 31 cents today, September 29th, 2021. Now, 1 million divided by 35 is 28,571. That means you need to own at least 28,571 HBAR tokens today to become a millionaire by 2027, all things being equal. To own 28,571 HBAR tokens, you'll need to invest 31 cents into 28,571, that's $8,857. So if our prediction is correct and HBAR manages to trade at 35 cents by 2027, your $8,857 investment today will be worth 28,571 into 35. That's $999,995. Massive! You just become a crypto millionaire, and you can now retire to enjoy the financial freedom you have always dreamt of. Is Hedera Hashgraph a good investment? Suppose you're looking for a relatively risky asset that you can rely on to provide steady profits in the long run, but that also has the potential for explosive growth. In that case, Hedera Hashgraph can potentially be a good choice for you and a profitable investment. This project has over 3 million daily transactions. An impressive number shows plenty of people interested in using both the Hedera Hashgraph platform and its cryptocurrency. Overall, many signs are pointing towards HBAR being a good investment. However, before you invest in it or any other digital asset, you should do your research and consider whether it's a good fit for your portfolio or not. Articles like this one are not intended to be and should not be seen as investment advice. Our final verdict on Hedera Hashgraph. According to our Hedera Hashgraph price prediction, unless some extreme price movements happen, HBAR price could continue its climb upwards in 2021. The cryptocurrency currently has a strong buy sentiment as per TradingView, which means its price still has room to grow. Please beware that although our Hedera Hashgraph forecast and many other HBAR price predictions say that this crypto will go up in 2021, this may not be the case. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, and if you're making long-term investments, we advise you to ignore short-term cryptocurrency price movements and instead look at the bigger picture. There's a saying in the market, never to time the market. While events and development updates are decent ways of determining a coin's future value, trying to time your way by buying and selling at the right time will always lose your money in the long run. The best strategy for most investors is to buy and hold. In addition, you should believe in your investment and only invest money that you can afford to lose. With these two factors achieved, you don't need to watch the price for your investments every day like a hawk. If you made a rational investment decision, don't let your emotions take over and negate your decisions during a price drop or rise. Two age-old sayings for you before I go. The sooner, the better. And there's no time like the present. While it makes sense to get involved early and have more time for reaping benefits, you can't go back in time to the beginning of a project you didn't invest in. So if you regret missing out on an initial opportunity, there's no reason not to become involved in another if it's viable. Please click on the subscribe and notifications button if you're new to this channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.